Step number 1 is a thorough cleaning and conditioning of your current gutter system. Since this is the last cleaning they will ever need, we make sure that they are spotless before installing your new gutter guard system by cleaning out all the debris from the gutters and ensuring that all downspouts are properly cleared. Step number 2 is to secure and seal your gutter system by tightening any brackets or screws that may have come loose, as well as sealing any corners or end caps that may be leaking. Step number 3 is to professionally install your gutter protection system. Installation is the most important part of ensuring your system functions properly. All technicians have undergone certification and have a minimum of 5 years' experience installing gutter protection systems. Our systems are custom fitted to each home, ensuring no gaps, holes, or openings for debris to get through. Once installed, you will never need to clean your gutters ever again.